Hi, I'm Liz Jones, and I'm a personal trainer and a nutrition coach. And you're watching this video because you are going to Comic-Con and you have some questions about sleep. So this question comes from my friend Megan, and she asked, what's the minimum amount of sleep that us that are going to Comic-Con need so that we can feel good through the long days and nights of Comic-Con? So my big suggestion is to have 8 hours of sleep. Really, any personal trainer or nutrition coach is going to tell you that. However, I know that you are probably not going to get 8 hours of sleep while at Comic-Con because there's so much that is going on, and you want to try to do everything and be there for all the cool events, everything that's going on. So what I suggest is that you want to try to get as much sleep as you can. So choose a hotel that is close to the convention center, that's close to downtown, because as it gets closer to Comic-Con, all the hotels book up. I know I had some friends that had to drive an hour to come every single day to the convention center because they waited till the last minute to buy the hotel, and they had to drive way far and stay in this hotel that was so far away. So make sure that you pay a little bit extra money, stay in a hotel that is downtown. Then that's going to give you up to a couple extra hours of sleep each night because you don't have to worry about driving. Then, let's see, also watch out for cramming too many people in a room. I know when you go on trips, you're trying to save some money, you want to cram people in the room. There's people sleep on the floor, there's people in the bed, there's just a ton of people in the room. Watch out for cramming everyone in the room because everyone has different sleep habits and sleep patterns. So make sure to check out and see if anyone in your group snores, and make sure that if they do, if you are a light sleeper, you should probably get your own room. Even if it's going to cost more money, you're going to have so much more fun if you have a restful night's sleep, and then you won't be annoyed with your friend. I know that I have made that mistake of sharing a hotel with some friends and being up all night long because someone was snoring. It is so annoying, and then I was miserable the next day and exhausted. So don't make that mistake. The second one is if you are that friend that is sleeping on the floor, like that is not going to be too comfortable because the floor is not comfortable, and you should totally just get a bed and sleep in the bed. You'll get a restful night's sleep, and you'll feel so much better to go around Comic-Con the next day. So I look forward to connecting with you. So you got to comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Also, if you have some great tips that you'd like to share too, comment there too. And I'll talk to you on the next video.